Welcome back, Crammers, to question 2. The bar chart gives information about the total number in millions of cars produced in 2017 and 2018 for each of the five countries. The total number of cars produced in 2017 and 2018 for Mexico was 8 million. Draw a bar chart to show this information. So when we're given this value, we simply look at the y-axis and we count 2, 4, 6, 8, and we draw a line perpendicular to 8. Try to use a ruler if possible. Which of these six countries produced the greatest total number of cars? So we simply look for whichever bar is the highest, and here we can see that it is USA. Which country produced half as many cars as India? So first off, let's see how many cars India made. So we can see here that they made 10 million. So we can write here 10. Half of 10 is divided by 2. So who produced 5 million cars? Let's see. So we go here between 4 and 6. We have 5. So we draw an arrow. Who meets this arrow? It is France. France. Work out the difference between the total number of cars produced in Japan and the total number of cars produced in Spain. So let's look where Japan ends up. Here on the y-axis, it ends up here between 20 and 18. So halfway between 20 and 18 is simply 19. So right here, 19. And Spain. So we draw an arrow again. It meets up with 6 million. So 19 minus 6 is simply, so we write here 13. And that is our final answer. Cram, then scram.